अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। उम्मीद है मेरे तमाम दोस्त ठीक ठाक होंगे। हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड। आई होप ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड इज़ वेरी वेल। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वंस अगेन। तो एक बार फिर से आपकी खिदमत में दोस्तों हाजिर हैं हम। आज हम एक बार फिर से अपने प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर बात करने वाले हैं जो Gate.io की तरफ से हमें मिला है। गेट लाइव बोनस स्टार्स लॉन्च पोल ट्रेडिंग कंपटीशन निको प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू, और इसी के ऊपर मैं आपको रिव्यू दूंगा। इंशाल्लाह जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ। आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से तमाम तर जो मालूमात होगी वो आपसे शेयर करेंगे। इसकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर भी बात करेंगे और इसके वाइट पेपर के ऊपर भी बात करें। तो बने रहने के लिए, जुड़े रहने के लिए तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया। हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड। आई होप ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड इज़ वेरी वेल। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रोजेक्ट माय डियर फ्रेंड। थैंक यू वंस अगेन and now start the project. Thank you so much once again, all of you. Thank you so much, Sita. Thank you so much, Sita, and other friend. Thank you so much for joining once again. तो अभी चलते हैं हम आगे की जानिब और बाकायदा तौर पे इब्तदा करते हैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट की। वन चैन ऑन चैन इंटरएक्टिव एथलेटिक्स गेम्स निको नेक निको ट्रेडिंग कंपटीशन इज लाइव। ज्वाइन and share 1000000 Nico reward. Thank you so much once again for joining Walk and See. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए, तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं और आपको इससे रिलेटेड मज़ीद जो मालूमात है वो मैं आपसे शेयर करता हूं और टोटल डिटेल इससे हवाले से हम आपसे शेयर करेंगे। तो जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ। थैंक यू सो मच लिटिल क्वीन एंड द EI. Thank you so much EI and other friend. Thank you so much. तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको बताता हूँ। द गेट इज द करंटली होल्डिंग द न्यू निको द ट्रेडिंग कंपटीशन। ज्वाइन राइट नाउ एंड शेयर द 1000000 निको रिवॉर्ड प्राइज पूल। तो सबसे पहले हम इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन। और हम ज्वाइन करने के बाद चलेंगे आगे की जानिब। थैंक यू। द निको ट्रेडिंग कंपटीशन इज लाइव। Event and 5 days, 7 hours and 22 minutes. Now the registration first of all. तो मैं रजिस्ट्रेशन आपके सामने करता हूं दोस्तों। तो हो चुकी है हमारी रजिस्ट्रेशन। आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। Thank you once again. Now you see the gate is the currently holding a Crossy SCKY the trading competition. Join the now and share 6000000 CSKY reward prize pool. Thank you so much all of you. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया। सीता एंड अदर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू वंस अगेन। तो अभी आगे की तरफ हम चलते हैं दोबारा से। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन आई टेल यू द एक्टिविटी रेस टू द निको ट्रेडिंग leaderboard for the 8000000 Nico prize. Now during the event, user who have no less than 5000 Nico spot trading volume can share the 8000000 Nico reward based on their Nico spot trading volume ranking. Thank you so much again. आपका शुक्रिया। तो चलते हैं अभी हम आगे की जानिब। Thank you so much all of you. Thank you so much. Now you see the claps. Now the activity and exclusive benefits of newcomer. Share extra 1000000. Thank you so much the Mohmino. Thank you so much Mohmino and Nestrero. Thank you so much. So during the event, new user who registered and reached the spot trading volume 2000 of future trading volume of 10,000 will receive a 250 Nico reward. The total prize pool is 1000000 Nico. Now the next one I tell you the activity initiative friend share 1000000 Nico referral bonus. Now during the event, invite friend to register the complete spot trading volume of 2000 or future trading volume of 10,000 and 15 Nico reward. The more friend You invite more reward. You can earn rewards or distribute on the first time first reserve comer. Thank you so much for joining. क्रिप्टो डॉल ने सबसे पहले हमें ज्वाइन किया है. थैंक यू कमेंट्स करने के लिए. वेलकम क्रिप्टो डॉल, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. और इसका क्रिप्टो डॉल का जो कम्प्लीमेंट है वो मैं आपसे शेयर करता हूँ. यू आर नॉट जस्ट स्ट्रीमिंग, यू आर creating an experience. Thank you so much for the comments, crypto doll. Thank you so much. Now आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. The activity number 3 ये हो गया जो को. Now 200 trading volume and 10,000 team, 15 equal reward. The more friends you invite, the more reward. The next one I tell you, dear friend, thank you. This is the note of this. Thank you once again for joining the Crypto King 13. Thank you, Crypto King 13, Mushtaq, and our another friend. Your live stream amazing, not you to competitive the audience. Thank you once again for the comments. Crypto Doll, आपका शुक्रिया. And how are you, Crypto Doll? Thank you so much. आज हम आउट ऑफ सिटी थे, जिस बिना पर आपको बहुत कम ही मैसेज किए थे आज हमने, लेकिन आपको ज्वाइन ज़रूर किया था. थैंक यू Momin, thank you so much Momino 003. Now the note I tell you, all the participation click the join button to complete identity verification before the event and be eligible for the reward. Number 2, trading volume, buy volume and sale volume. Thank you. Once again, compliment by the Crypto Doll. When your stream, people sit and listen to your stream with a great interest and enjoyment. Thank you so much. You doing good job. Thank you. Keep it up. Thank you so much for the comments. Crypto Doll, आपका शुक्रिया. Thanks for the beautiful comments. Crypto Doll, thank you. And also have a nice day. Thank you for joining. और उम्मीद है कि क्रिप्टो लेडी अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रही होंगी, उसके बाद ही मुझे ज्वाइन करेंगी. उम्मीद तो बहुत है. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन. द नेक्स्ट compliment from the Crypto Doll. The stream is pure joy from the content, your reaction, everything, and is just perfect, enjoyable and engagement. Thank you so much for joining once again for the compliment of Crypto Doll. Thank you so much, Doll. You are real doll. You are doll of the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. आगे चलते हैं. Okay, thank you so much Mr. Abdurrahman, thank you so much. The reward for the event 1000000 Nico reward will be distributed within the 14 working days after the campaigning. And thank you so much and welcome Ishal. Thank you so much Ishal for joining. Now the number 4, the user duplicate accounts, any other cheating behavior, such inflation of the trading volume, bulk registration of the fake account, self account order and order matching etc, and the secretly promoting multiple account with the same identity verification information will be traced, and to the same account substitution cannot participate in the activity. Thank you. Only fighting for the breed. Thank you so much for joining Madhu. Have a nice day Madhu, and good to see you Madhu. Thank you so much Madhu. Now the next one is the market corporative and institutional account, and the affiliate agent account, and the sub affiliate account, and the partner account and partner account are not eligible to participate in the event. Thank you so much for joining Neswarp and the only fight for breed. And thank you for the Crypto Puppy. Thank you so much for the Crypto Puppy to joining my live stream. Have a nice day. Thank you and good to see you. Now the next one, the master. Thank you. Now number 6, I tell you, if the user participate in the activity on the gate simulation, they will only receive the reward from the activity. Now the number 7. Oh, thank you so much for joining once again. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए, सपोर्ट करने के लिए और पानी गिराने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द पानी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द. So the next one is, when any discrepancy areas between the translate version and the English original version, the English version shall prevail. Now the number 8, gate reserve all the right to the final explosion. Number 9, this event is not affiliated with the Apple link. User in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access this service, including the participation in the event or competition. See the user agreement for the further detail on registration location. We do not intend the solid and contact the marketing reward customer such a registration location. Thank you so much once again. ID gone. Thank you so much. ID gone. Now you see my topic, my dear friend. Once again, I tell you, thank you so much, all of you, for joining. The Gate Live bonus task launch for trading competition Niku project review, and I tell you the review of this project, my dear friend. Thank you. So my dear friend, this is the Niku. चलते हैं वापसी की जानिब, आपको थोड़ा सा ले चलते हैं. Thank you so much. Now you see the Gate launch pool project review. This is my topic, my dear friend. Once again, I tell you, sorry, अभी थोड़ा सा हम उसको कंप्लीट कर लें, उसके बाद हम वापस आएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच निकू, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. सो अभी हम चल गए थे आगे. द campaigning period July 22 2025 10 a.m. July 29 2025 10 a.m. UTC. Thank you so much, the Mia 1284. Thank you so much for joining, Mia. Now the activity one, race to the Niku trading leaderboard for the 800000 Niku prize. During the event, users who have no less than 5000 Niku spot trading volume can share to 800000 Niku reward based on their Niku spot trading volume ranking. Thank you, Edgon. Thank you so much for joining. Now you see, my dear friend, the ranking and reward and the minimum Niku trading volume. This is the table of this, my dear friend. Thank you. So once again, I tell you, the trade Niku, yes, USDT. Thank you so much once again, Mia and other friend. Thank you. Now the trade Niku. Activity 2, exclusive benefit newcomers share extra 1000000 Niku reward. Thank you for joining once again. And I tell you again that during the event, new user who registered and reached the spot trading volume for 2000 of the future trading volume of the 10,000 will receive 250 Niku reward. The total prize pool is Niku first come first receive. Thank you so much. Now the user registration. अभी मैंने आपको registration करके दिखाई, अपनी मैंने registration की थी. Thank you Atex and the video, the Hamrish and Aim. Now the next one I tell you, my dear friend, thank you for joining once again. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. हम नीकू के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं और नीकू के ऊपर अपना मैं प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू दे रहा हूं दोस्तों. तो जुड़े रहने के लिए, बने रहने के लिए तमाम ही दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Now the future operation guide. I tell you the future operation guide. Thank you once again for joining. The next one is the activity number 3. Invite friends, share 10,000 1000000 Nico raffle bonus. Thank you. Now the next one is that during the event, invite friend to register and complete spot trading volume 2000 of future trading volume of 10,000 earned to the 15 Nico reward. The more friends you invite, the more reward you can earn. Reward are distributed on the first come first saver basis. Thank you so much, this nameless. Thank you so much, the nameless. Now once again the total reference and the reward you see, my dear friend. तो ये सामने आपके टोटल रेफरेंस है 1 से लेकर 5 तक और 50 निको पर पर्सन मिलेगा. 6 to 20 75 निको पर्सन पर पर्सन. एंड नाउ द 20 to 1 to 5 निको पर्सन. थैंक यू द क्लोजी पे. Thank you so much for joining Closey Pay and our friend. Thank you for joining. Now the note, I tell you the note. This. Thank you once again, Shimlu. Thank you so much, Shimlu. Now the all participate need to click the join now button and complete identity verification before the event and to be eligible for the reward. Number 2, the trading volume, buy volume plus sale volume. Number 3, the total reward for this event is 1000000 Niku. Reward will be distributed within the 14 working days after the campaigning end. Now number 4, the use of the duplicate account and any other cheating behavior such as a inflation of the trading volume and bulk registration of the fake account self-trading order mechanism etc. Now the strictly prohibited multiple accounts with the same identification information will be treated as the same account. Sub account cannot participate in this event. Thank you so much. Now number 5, I tell you my dear friend, the market comparator and institutional account, affiliate agent account and sub affiliate sub account. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. The Umar 21. Thank you so much. Now the number 5 I tell you dear friend. The market, cooperative and institutional ये हो गया था number 5. If they participate in the other activity on gate simulation, they will only receive the reward from the one activity. Now number 7, where the any discrepancy area between the translated version and the English version and original English version shall prevail. Now number 8, gate reserve all the right to the final exploration. Number 9, the event is not affiliated with the Apple link. User in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access the service including the participation this event competition. See the user agreement for the further detail on the registered location. Now we do not intend to the select to the conduct marketing toward the customer in such strict location. Thank you so much. The gate team, July 22, 2025. Thank you so much for joining. Now you see my topic, my dear friend, Gate Live Bonus Stock Launch for Trading Competition Nico Project Review, and I tell you the review of this project. Thank you so much for joining. तो चलते हैं अभी हम आगे की जानिब और आपको गेट लॉन्च पूल की तरफ ले चलते हैं. Thank you so much once again, Gate user Umar and other friend. Thank you so much. Now the Gate launch pool project 288 non Nico stake GT Nico to earn airdrop. Thank you. Thank you so much once again. Now the gate is the launching the 288 the launch pool project Nico. User can stake GTR Nico to the share 750000 Nico airdrop token for free. Withdraw the distribution hourly. Now the staking period July 22, 2022, July 2025, 10 UTC to July 25, 2025, 10 UTC. Now the total staking reward 750000 Nico. Now the stake to earn. तो आपको स्टेक टू अर्न करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. एक बार फिर से शुक्रिया. दिस इज स्टेक टू अर्न. नाउ दिस इज द निकू. Thank you so much. Now the NAN Nico is the game-fed community-driven project built on the Solana blockchain, building vibration architecture with the interact. The implies the Nico aims to the redefine Web3 gaming thought, engineering the mechanism, NFT integration, and social participation. It is a core the project empower player and the holder to shape the ecosystem direction, making it more than just a mad game, but movement backs to the bypassing team and the supported by the over gaming community. Nico is the post to become a standout the band in the Solana gaming and more token space. Play, earn, and part of the Nico universe. Thank you so much for joining once again. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Gate user and now welcome to join my list is CMI 1978. Thank you for the joining and thank you for the once again comments. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining Mr. CML 1978. Thank you so much. Now that this is the Nico, my dear friend, and the next one I tell you the project introduction. Thank you. Now the total staking reward 5000000 Nico. Mining period 3 days. Total reward 750000 Nico. Free money. Thank you so much once again. Now the total staking is 2794683.61 GT. Participation 10072. The price hourly cap 6944.44 Nico. Individual hourly cap 555.55 Nico. Thank you. Now the APR 9.73% and the individual cap 2000 GT. Thank you so much once again, Gate the friend. And चलते हैं अभी हम उसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट की जानिब ले चलता हूँ आपको मैं. नीको की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट. थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ नीको. नाउ यू सी द Nino Nico. Nino Nico. Thank you so much. This name It's bad. Thank you so much. The namelation. Now you see the website, official website of Ninu Niku. The next, I tell you, dear friend, you see now the Niku game coming soon. Oh my dear friend, this is the beautiful picture of Niku name. Thank you. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much, Crypto Puppy, Crypto Champion. Thank you so much, my dear friend. तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं अभी. Thank you so much, Niku Nikki. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much. Welcome to join my live stream, Crypto Champion. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, and good to see you, Crypto Champion. Finally आपने join किया, आपका शुक्रिया, Crypto Champion. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. Now the unlock real NFTs. Thank you so much for joining once again. Now real unlock NFTs. Thank you. Now the discover and the collect unique edge egg and the Supreme NFT to build your ultimate collection. Each NFT and distance attribute did the ensure your gameplay. Now fuse for reach. Thank you. Now the combined user or NFT is a creative way to the unlock new Niku token. Experiment with the different combining to maximize your reward and uncover. Thank you. This name, thank you so much once again. This name, and the next one, level up and the Dynamite. Now strategically manage your Nino Niku token to level up, unlock new future, and gain a edge over other. The player grow your influence and make your making. Thank you so much in the Nico. Thank you. This is the Nico, my dear friend, once again. और कुछ सोचने में गुम है Nico. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. Crypto Champion की तरफ से compliment आया है. The great energy, great content, and amazing person on the live. You are born to this bro. New stop chasing your dream. Thank you so much for your lovely comments, my lovely friend Crypto Champion. आप हमेशा ही चैम्पियन कमेंट्स करते हैं. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन का कमेंट्स भी चैम्पियन होता है. थैंक यू विजिटर एंड सिमलू द गेट यूजर. थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ यू सी द नीकू परेशान बैठा हुआ है. थैंक यू. हम आगे चलते हैं, नीकू की परेशानी दूर करते हैं. स्टेप इन टू द वर्ल्ड वेयर क्रिएटिव meet crypto. When every the NFT you collect and every charter you creates the token, you one step close to the endless possibility. Unlock your potential in the game that referending play. Thank you so much for joining on to earn on the Solana network. Thank you the Shameless once again for joining. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Now the Niku CEO join the पास कम्युनिटी. थैंक यू द पास कम्युनिटी. हमने पास का एक प्रोजेक्ट भी किया था, टेलीग्राम का प्रोजेक्ट था मेरे ख्याल में. रोनी हसन, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. रोनी हसन, क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन एंड रोनी हसन, थैंक यू द पास. नाउ द join the pass community. Now dive into the heart of Nico and the contact with the followers the established. The be part of the extension, share your journey, the help shape the future of our vibrant community. Thank you, Nico. Thank you, Nico. Now adoption, the partners. You see the adoption partner. You see the Nico partner, IGBT.com and the Nico, the CQ. Thank you so much, great user. And the next one is Khubsurat. Now the beautiful picture once again, Nidu. Tom Nidu. Thank you, Nidu. And the Orblex Nino Neko. और खूबसूरत से पिक्चर हैं, चेन एंड डोमिनेशन. थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ द ikgpt.com. थैंक यू फॉर joining once again. Now the join happy follow us on social media. Thank you for joining. आपका शुक्रिया. Eshono and other get your friend. Thank you so much for joining. Now the get the inside scope. Unlock reward and exclusive updates and scenic peaks and the exciting new right to your inbox subscription and the VIP who get the first look and latest adventure and surprises your front rear set to the action. is it just blocking? Thank you so much. This is the Nico official website. Thank you, Crypto. You are make your every live stream worth watching. Keep it up, bro. Your hard working and passion really show every time. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन, एक बार फिर से खूबसूरत कमेंट्स करने का और ज्वाइन करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो अभी आगे की चलते हैं, आपको दिखाता हूँ इसके वाइट पेपर की तरफ हम चलते हैं और इसके वाइट पेपर के ऊपर भी हम बात करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड, आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। चलते हैं इसके वाइट पेपर की जानिब। थैंक यू सो मच द वाइट पेपर ऑफ दिस। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड, गुड ब्रॉडकास्ट, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन, एंड आल्सो गुड टू सी यू डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। नाउ द पेज इज़ नॉट ओपन, और हम यहाँ से ओपन करने की कोशिश करते तो हो गया ओपन। थैंक यू सो मच। व्हाट इज़ द नीकू? थैंक यू सो मच नीकू, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए। और चलते हैं अभी हम आगे की जानिब। नीकू, व्हाट इज़ द नीकू? थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन, अपनी लाइफ के बाद मेरी लाइफ पे आना। ओके माय डियर फ्रेंड, लाजमी आऊँगा इंशाल्लाह। तो दोस्तों मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम के दौरान ही इंशाल्लाह क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम करेंगे, तो प्लीज़ ज्वाइन कीजिएगा क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन को और आपको एक चैम्पियन लाइव स्ट्रीम मिलेगी। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन, हैव अ गुड डे माय डियर फ्रेंड क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन। आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए, एंड हैव अ नाइस डे क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन। तो दोस्तों मेरी स्ट्रीम के दौरान या मेरी स्ट्रीम के बाद ही क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन की लाइव स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट होगी, प्लीज़ ज्वाइन कीजिएगा, आपको बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त किस्म की लाइव स्ट्रीम मिलेगी। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन। नाउ व्हाट इज़ द नीनो निको? The Nino Nico is an upcoming and innovative game on the Solana blockchain, set to the launch by the Send and other the air. Thank you so much. In this game, player will be opportunity to combine the unique NFT and engage and egg a spam to the create Nano Nico token, a meme inspired the cryptocurrency. The playful vision of the NFTs result in the birth of the Nino Nico is a digital asset, the computer and the essence of the meme culture with the creative and honor. The Nino Nico is not just a game, it is a community driven project mergers and to the extension for the meme token with the cutting edge and technology of the blockchain, which is the real on the horizon. Nano Nico is the page to become must play experience, both crypto and share to the meme lovers like. Thank you so much for joining once again क्रिप्टो सॉरी शाइनिंग स्टार, वालेकुम सलाम। और आखिरकार हमारी, मैं भी सोच रहा था कि मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम पर शाइनिंग कैसे आ चुकी है, देखा तो मालूम हुआ कि शाइनिंग स्टार ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है। थैंक यू सो मच शाइनिंग स्टार टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, गुड टू सी यू ऑल एंड आई टेल you my dear friend, good to see you. Thank you so much shining star and I Yanks, thank you so much for joining I Yanks and shining star and other kids your friend, thank you so much. So let's move the once again my dear friend, thank you so much for joining. Now the unleash the power of Nano Nico, the meme token revolution. Thank you great user, join the next view of the digital initiative creative a collect and the continue with the Nano Nico token coming soon to the Solana blockchain, ready to play. Now the Nano Nico, the future of meme coin, shape the next big and trade the crypto mind your Nano Nico and the part of the revolution. More details below, coming soon to the Solana. Thank you so much for joining Gate your friend and now Solana. तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको प्रोजेक्ट की ओवरव्यू बताता चलूँ दोस्तों। द नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू। थैंक यू। द प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3, नंबर 4। नाउ नंबर 1 प्रोजेक्ट नेम द नीनो निको गेमिंग। नंबर 2 ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट जिसको अब मैं दिखा चुका हूँ। नाउ द सोशल मीडिया आपके सामने। नाउ नंबर 4 द TJE टोकन क्रिएशन इवेंट क्विज 2 2025 डेट एंड टाइम। थैंक यू गेट यूर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो चलते हैं अभी हम आगे की जानिब और मज़ीद आपको इसके ऊपर डिटेल देता हूँ थोड़ा सा। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ़ यू वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए, जुड़े रहने के लिए। और बने रहने के लिए। तो चलते हैं अभी आगे की तरफ, आपको इसका दिखाता हूँ। नेक्स्ट वन इज द number 2 token overview, the utility token. Thank you so much. The token tracker Niku and the SPL token type SPL. Total token supply 2 billion, listing price 0.05 USD. Thank you once again Shining Star, आपका शुक्रिया। Now in the game ecosystem usage. Thank you Edjo and the Shining Star. Thank you so much. The NFT trading player can use the Nano Nico token to buy an all character while and other in the game assets on the NFT marketplace. Thank you so much, the Shimlos. Thank you so much for joining. Now the NFT fashion system utilize the Nino Nico token to combine NFT and the create a rarer, more powerful asset. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion and Shining Star. तो Shining Star की तरफ से एक Star Shining सा कमेंट्स आया है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट आया है। तो बात करते हैं। Here is to continue the successful stream, a long community and joyful and surprise. Keep spreading smile and building your legacy. You are truly making a mark in the stream world. Welcome. Thank you so much Shining Star की तरफ से एक shining सा comments आया। Thank for the comments my lovely friend Shining Star. Also a good big beautiful live streamer. Thank you so much from the Shining Star. Thank you so much Shining Star. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब। Thank you so much Crypto and other friend. Thank you. Now एक और खूबसूरत सा कम्प्लीमेंट आ चुका है। Wishing your stream full of growth and the guidance, contention, your passion in your power. Keep streaming strong and let your lights each reach even more the hearts every day. Thank you. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। Same to you, my dear friend, Shining Star. Thank you so much for the your lovely comments. The Vengi call. Thank you so much. Now, once again, I tell you the NFT fashion system utilize the Nani Nico token to combine NFT, create rater more powerful assets. Thank you. Now, in the game reward player earn Nano Nico token or reward for completing mission. These token can be used for the game purchase or staking. Thank you once again. Now the staking and the passive income. एक और खूबसूरत सा comments. Crypto, I keep up the amazing work. Wishing you a streaming success beyond limits. Loyal fans, we adhere to you to the contents moments of the period in everything you create. You are truly appreciated. Thank you so much Crypto. Sorry Shining Star, आपका खूबसूरत comments आया, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया Shining Star खूबसूरत कमेंट्स करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन आई टेल यू माय डियर फ्रेंड, ओ अनदर ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स वंस अगेन। नाउ द टोकन होल्डर कैन स्टेक देयर नैनो निको token, earn positive income staking and also unlock in the game because the great access to the exclusive content. Shining Star wishing you vibrant energy, sportive fans and the massive success in every stream. Your challenge shines bright. Keep up growing, glowing and going far in the incredibility journey. Thank you so much once again for lovely comments my lovely friend Shining Star. Now the number 3 I tell you the community and the governance. Thank you so much Shining Star एक और खूबसूरत कमेंट्स करने के लिए। Thank you so much Shining Star. Now the DEO governance. Nani Nico token holder can vote and major discussion such as the game update. Thank you. Now the game update and the future additional and their critical matter promoting community engagement. Thank you so much once again Muhammad bin Yasin. Thank you so much Muhammad bin Yasin. Now P2P trading tokens can be used for per-to-per trading or as payment for the service within the community. Partnership, the partner combines and accept Nano Nico tokens or exclusive deal for the discussion, e.g. purchasing in the game merchandise. Thank you so much Nawab Enterprises. Thank you so much Nawab. Now the number 5 I tell you the developer and supporter ecosystem expansion. User generate contact UGC token and enable to player to create in the game content and monetize their contribution. Competition and reward developer can organic competition and distribution Nano Neko token एज प्राइस। थैंक यू सो मच। तो आगे चलते हैं, नाउ द प्रॉब्लम एंड सोल्यूशन की जानिब चलते हैं कि प्रॉब्लम और सोल्यूशन आपको बताते हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। नाउ द प्रॉब्लम एंड सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस। थैंक यू सो मच, thank you once again for joining Nawab Enterprises and Muhammad bin Yasin. Thank you so much, Muhammad bin Yasin. Now the problem, once again I tell you the problem. The blockchain space, while initiative after the phase scientification challenges in the user adoption, accessibility and long-term sustainability. Now many projects fail to the engage user effectively due to the complex in interface, look for the transparency and limitation utilized for their token and application. These barriers provide the newcomers and the assassin user for the fully leverage and the potential of Web3 technology. And now they additionally forget ecosystem often to the struggle provide a safe experience living user discussion and the project utilization. तो दोस्तों ये है जो इसकी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं। अभी मैं आपको मुख्तलिफ प्रॉब्लम्स जो होती हैं उसके बारे में है, अभी आपको इनकी सोल्यूशन के बारे में बता दो। थैंक यू गेट यूजर एंड गोटा 88, थैंक यू सो मच गोटा 88। नाउ द सोल्यूशन, द नीनो नेको the tackles these issue tackling this issue head by the designing and comprehensive user friendly ecosystem that the prioritizing accessibility community engagement and initiative. The platform interrogation institute digitalization application DAPPS DAPPs. Now the transparency and state-able tokenomics and the creative tools to the enable user to participate seamless by the fostering calibration and ensuring the creative Nano Nico create the utilized fine ecosystem that the contact individual projects and the technologies. This approach not only the ensure user experience but also the driven long-term growth and sustainability, setting a new standard to blockchain ecosystem. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now once again, the way Nano Nico stand out. तो ये था प्रॉब्लम एंड सोल्यूशन। अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं एक खूबसूरत सी पिक्चर के साथ। नैनो निको, थैंक यू सो मच। वाई द नैनो निको स्टैंड आउट। थैंक यू गेट यूजर फ्रेंड नॉब इंटरप्राइज एंड रोनी हसन, थैंक यू सो मच रोनी हसन एंड अदर गेट फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच। वाई द नैनो निको स्टैंड आउट, थैंक यू द के मुनीर, थैंक यू सो मच के मुनीर खान मुनीर के खैर मोहम्मद मुनीर, थैंक यू सो मच एनो हाउ के मुनीर। Thank you. The meme token revolution, Nino Nico is the more than just a game. It's the meme token revolution by the combining creative and technology. We are refining home more collector interacts with the cryptocurrency. Thank you once again for joining K Munir. Thank you K Munir for joining. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया। हम वाई नैनी निको स्टैंड आउट पे बात कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द रोनी हसन, थैंक यू सो मच। तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब दोस्तों और आपसे शेयर करते हैं द एंगेज गेम प्ले द कंबाइन यूर NFT अर्न द नैनो निको टोकन एंड एक्सप्लोर द गेम डिजाइन टू बी बोथ फन एंड रिवाइंडिंग with each competition of the all experience a new level of extendment creative. Thank you, my dear friend, thank you so much. Now the community content the NanoNico is the built with our community in mind. Your involvement and feedback with the shape the future of the game, ensuring that evolution to the meet needs and interest of your player. Thank you K Munir for joining. Now cheating and edge technology leverage the Solana blockchain. NanoNico offer the fast score and the scalable transaction, ensuring the smooth and seamless gaming experience. Thank you so much all of you. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। हम बात कर रहे हैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर। अभी हम चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको मज़ीद बताते हैं इससे रिलेटेड जो भी डिटेल है। इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दी नैनो निको इकोसिस्टम के ऊपर बात करते हैं। बहुत ही खूबसूरत से ग्राफ के साथ मौजूद है दोस्तों, आपके साथ हम भी मौजूद है और आप देख सकते हैं आज की मेरी स्ट्रीप जिसके ऊपर हम बात करें। थोड़ा लेट नाइट हम प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूं मैं दोस्तों, क्योंकि आज हम आउट ऑफ सिटी होने की वजह से थोड़ा लेट प्रोजेक्ट किया है मैंने। Nino Neko. Thank you so much. Now, my topic, my dear friend, Kilt will Nano Nico project review, and I tell you the project. Thank you so much for joining once again. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ एक बार फिर से दोस्तों ने ज्वाइन किया हुआ है. Thank you once again for joining, my dear friend. And this is the Nino Neko project review. I tell you the project review. Thank you so much. My project name, my dear friend, today my project and my topic, Gay Life Bonus Task Launch for Trading Competition Nico project review, and I tell you this project review. Thank you so much. तो चलते हैं हम आगे की जानिब और आपको दोबारा बता दो. थैंक यू नवाब इंटरप्राइजेज. Information about the Nano Nico ecosystem. The Nano Nico ecosystem is the vibrant blockchain based universe designing to merge initiative with the community engagement in powers reign of the decentralization application DAPI and tokenomics and the in creative future and the foster your participation creative and the sustainable growth. Thank you so much. The next one I tell you, my dear friend, thank you. The plan and revenue streamers. The transaction fees as user engage in the transaction involving the Nano Nico token on the Solana network. We will collect a small transaction fees. These fees will contribute to the maintenance and the development of the ecosystem. Thank you so much, Panda Crypto and other Kate user friend. Thank you so much for joining, Panda Crypto and Shumless. Thank you, Shumless and other friend. Now the transaction fees हो चुका है. आगे चलते हैं. इन द गेम परचेज इन आवर अपकमिंग गेम यूजर विल हैव द ऑप्शन टू द परचेज बॉश इन द गेम एटम अपग्रेड एंड सोशल फ्यूचर यूजिंग नैनो निको टोकन. Thank you so much, dear friend TechTapit. Welcome to join my live stream, beautiful friend TechTapit. Thank you so much, TechTapit, for joining my live stream. Now, in the game purchase, in our upcoming game, user will have to opt in to the per purchase and game atom upgrade other special features using Nano Nico token. These purchase will generate tracked revenue for the project. Thank you, mobile. Thank you so much, mobile. NFT. Thank you. BOA Merrick 92. NFT sales, we plan to the offer limits number of the exclusive NFT to related to the game to the or competition ecosystem for the sale. Revenue from these NFT sales will support ongoing development and the making of efforts. Thank you so much. Boom. Thank you. Now the partnership and the sponsorship. Now the partnership and the sponsorship. Calibration with the board's inflation or the other projects for the partnerships sponsorship. Thank you so much once again for joining, my dear friend Wang joins. Thank you so much, Wangs. Now the once again I tell you, dear friend, the strength of the project. Thank you. Now the strength of our project. Thank you, dear friend. Thank you so much for joining. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बात करने के लिए. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you for joining. Get the friend. Now the strength of the our project. Thank you. Fast and low cost transaction by the operating on the Solana network. We offer user fast and low cost transaction, ensuring the user experience and attracting more user. Engage game interrogation. Our upcoming interrogation with the Nano Nico. The token will allow user to the Nano Nico tokens for the enjoyable gaming experience, fostering community engagement. Now the next one I tell you, dear friend, the NFT interrogation. The mechanism of the combining different NFTs such as engage the supreme of the earned tokens and unique future our project along with the extension trading in the NFT. Thank you so much, PPVMSF. Thank you. The board molecular, thank you, and other gator friend. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining my live stream. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. Large community, the size decision of the our excellent community increase the confidence in our project and make it easier to attract new user. Future development, we plan continues the project development and update with the new feature to the ensure long-term growth and sustainability. Now, the strong marketing strategy, our ongoing fundraising effort of marketing and the other expansion for the increased project and visibility and reach the border audience. Thank you so much, BPX. Now, the experience, the team expert to the experience of our project team ensure the likelihood of the project success. Thank you so much. Now, the growth strategy. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग पीपीएक्स एंड अदर फ्रेंड। आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए। नाउ द ग्रोथ स्ट्रेटेजी, नाउ द कम्युनिटी फेस अप्रोच बाय द कंटिन्यूड इंफॉर्मेशन एंड इंश्योरिंग आवर कम्युनिटी विल इंक्रीज द कॉन्फिडेंस इन द आवर प्रोजेक्ट। Now number 2, my dear friend, I tell you the number 2 of this project now, my dear friend. Thank you so much, all of you. Get your friend and other friend. Now the community. Now the number 2, marketing and promotion. We will increase our project visibility, organize effectively digital marketing campaigning, target at our audience. Now number 3, calibration of the partnership. We will grow our ecosystem, establish collaboration with the other project and expand our network partnership. Now number 4, user experience empowerment by the editing user friendly interface and future we will increase the user satisfaction and loyalty. Now number 5, the new product and the future we will keep our project innovative and competitive by the comprehensive editing the new product and future. Thank you, mobile. Now the next one, the cutting edge security and safeguarding your investment. The next one is, my dear friend, this is the white paper of this project, Nano Nico. My topic, Gear Life Bonus Stock Launch Pool प्रोजेक्ट नैनो निको रिव्यू। मैं आपको रिव्यू दे रहा हूं इस प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर। थैंक यू सो मच जेनरो बीला मोबाइल एंड आल्सो थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मिस्टर मनु। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इशाल। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग कटिंग एज सिक्योरिटी एंड safer doing your investment. Thank you so much for the puppy and other friend. Thank you so much. Now in the rapid evolving world of the blockchain and cryptocurrency, security is promoting our projects in the build on the foundation of the latest security protocols and technologies to ensure that your investment are always protected. We implies the advanced encryption method, multiple certification wallet and regular security audits to the safeguard against the potential trust. Thank you so much. That gives you the election, the X-Win. Thank you so much, X-Win. CMLI 1978 once again for joining. Thank you, welcome. और आपकी तरफ से कमेंट्स आ चुका। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर फ्री CML. Thank you for the comments, my dear friend CLL, and also good to see you. How are you, my dear friend Seaman 1978? Now the next one I tell you, my dear friend, and regular security audit for the safeguarding against potential there. By the promotion security and every level, we aim to the provide CryptoDoll once again joining CryptoDoll user in the confidence and the pace for the mind needed to fully engage with our ecosystem. Thank you. Now your safe is out to top priority and we are committed to the maintaining highest standard of the protection for our community. Thank you so much, Baku. Thank you, Baku. Have a nice day, Baku. Now the John Bless, thank you so much. Now once again you see the beautiful picture, my dear friend. Thank you. और ये एक्सरसाइज करते हुए हमारे बाकू। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बाकू। आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए। सो वंस अगेन यू सी द बॉडी बिल्डर नैनो निको। थैंक यू सो मच बॉडी बिल्डर नैनो निको। दिस इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर ऑफ दिस। थैंक यू सो मच। And now the next one, core value and strategic pillars of the our project. Thank you once again. The next is, my dear friend, now the core value and the strategic pillars of our project. Now, the experienced team leverage experience in the blockchain and gaming. Thank you so much, homeopathy. Thank you so much, homeopathic experience and the living experience in the blockchain gaming. Now, our team is composed the industry event with the deep experience in the both blockchain technology and game development with year of the experience in launching successfully projects. We bring wealth of the knowledgeable and skill to the table. Our collective background including work with the leading edge and the combined initiative startups and top tier gaming studio. Thank you so much once again. This desire experience enable use to the native to complex of the blockchain space with the creating engaging and impressive gaming experience. We are driven by the sheer passion of initiative the community to delivering ground back. Thank you so much. Protect and stand out in the market. Now the strategic partnership with the industry. Thank you so much once again for joining. Crypto Princess Nikki, oh sorry, Crypto Universe Lady फाइनली हमें ज्वाइन कर चुकी हैं. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, और उम्मीद है कि आपकी लाइव स्ट्रीम हो चुकी होगी. थैंक यू सो मच एंड वेलकम क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी एंड आल्सो गुड टू सी यू. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो लेडी. Thank you for joining. Now the strategic partnership collaboration with the industry. Thank you so much the 066 Skyfall and Ishal. Thank you so much for joining Ishal and Crypto Universe Lady. Thank you so much for joining. Now strategic partnership collaboration with the industry leaders. Thank you. Now the strategic partnership are at the core of the project's growth and success. By collaboration with the industry leaders in blockchain gaming technology, we are able to leverage their experience, resource, and network to ensure the ecosystem. Thank you so much. Now to the new opportunities of expansion and initiative. Together with our partner, we are committed to drive an adoption of the our token. Thank you. यूनिवर्स लेडी की तरफ से खूबसूरत सा कमेंट्स आया. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी फॉर द कमेंट्स. थैंक यू सो मच. और कॉम्प्लीमेशन शो आपको बताता हूँ. compliments when your stream people sit and listen to your stream with the great interest and enjoyable. Keep this separate up. Thank you so much once again for joining. Thank you for the comments, my dear friend crypto universe lady. Thank you so much for joining. तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं दोस्तों और आपको मज़ीद बताते हैं थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू सो मच द नैनो निको. थैंक यू सो मच नैनो निको ऑफ दिस. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड once again for joining. Now transparency and trust building confidence thought the open communication. Thank you once again. The witch tone. Thank you so much. The witch on the star. Thank you so much. The transparency and the trust are the pillars of our project. We believe that upon communication with our community, in turn, are building listing relationship and forecasting confidence in our ecosystem. Thank you so much. Now, from the regular update, the project development to detailed reports on the token allocation and using, we are pursuing for fully transparency, utilize blockchain technology to provide verifiable and to implement record. By maintaining a high level of the transparency, we aim to build foundation of trust that will empower our user to engage confidence with our project and contribute to it is long-term success. Thank you, Rutubo. Thank you so much for joining, Rutubo. Now the sustainable growth and balancing initiative and with the stability. Thank you, Rutubo and Kate, your friend. Thank you so much. Now the sustainability growth is great at the heart of our project strategy. We understand that in the face product world of blockchain cryptocurrency, long-term success requirement and carefully balance between the initiative and stability. Our approach, initiative, developing and cutting edge for the future and expanding our ecosystem while ensuring that our growth and manageable and sustainable. Thank you. Now by implement sound token strategic partnership and community force initiative, we aim to the create rewards and the reference platform that can rival in the every change market. Our community to sustainable growth means that we faced and not just short-term gain but on the building project that will endure and the pressure our time. Thank you, Muhammad bin Yasin Ratubo and Muhammad 97. Thank you so much. So the next one I tell you, my dear friend, this is the Nico world. Once again, you see, my dear friend, the game fade ecosystem Nano Nico world. Thank you, Rutubo. Now you see once again the game fade ecosystem Nano Nico. And once again, welcome to the Nano Nico ecosystem. In the Nano Nico world and engage gameplay experience and the lucrative ecosystem invite you with the ecosystem offer player the chance to earn rewards by both playing the game and the making strategic investment. Here are all the key elements of the Nano Nico game fade ecosystem. Thank you so much, Alon Jitubo. Also, thank you so much. Now, number one, NFT to compute in the Nano Nico. Each player start with Edge and the Supreme NFT. By the combining these two NFTs, you can create a new valuable Nano Nico NFT. The computation. Thank you so much. Now the initiative both random and strategic elements making each gameplay experience unique and extending. Now number two, Nano Nico token. When you create the Nano Nico NFT, you earn Nano Nico token. These tokens are constant to the fall economics activity within the ecosystem. You can spend your token in the game store by the game with our player user for the future development. Thank you so much. Now the number three, I tell you, my dear friend. Thank you, Kate, user friend. Now number three, the quits and the event. The game regularly offer version quits and events by the campaigning quizzer of the participating in events. You can earn additionally Nano Nico to token and special reward. These activity keep the community active, engaged, and other. Thank you. Now number four, investment and growth. Early investor directly benefits from the growth of the Nano Nico. Skyfall, thank you so much. And Shumnet, thank you so much. Now the next one of the Nano Nico ecosystem, special per sale opportunities and reward are offered. These who contribute to the community experience. Your investment provide both in the game and external advantage. Thank you, C Deep Efficacious. Thank you, C Deep Effication. Now number five, I tell you the community and the social interaction. Nano Nico aims to build a strong community. Player can interact with each other, share strategic and the collaborate social future and community driven event for the foster once of belonging and the ensure the overall gaming experience. Thank you, Shumless. Should we have? Thank you so much, Shumless, and good to see you, my dear friend. Seamless. Have a nice day, my dear friend. Please hold कीजिएगा because I tell you the project review, my dear friend, today. Thank you so much, Crypto Universe lady. Once again, your beautiful compliment. You are doing an amazing job on the live stream. Your energy, content, and web are just perfect. Keep entertaining us like this. Proud of your hard work. Thank you so much for lovely comments, lovely lady, Crypto Universe lady. Thank you so much. Now number five. Thank you so much. The community and the social interaction. Nano Nico. Thank you so much, Crypto. I and the Simulu. Thank you so much, Simulu. And also good to see you, my dear friend. And thanks for the join my live stream. And also thank you, Crypto Universe lady. Thank you so much. And how are you, Crypto lady? Thank you for joining. आपका शुक्रिया, आपने ज्वाइन किया और कमेंट्स किया और उम्मीद है कि आपने खूबसूरत सी अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम कर ली होगी. थैंक यू सो मच, डियर फ्रेंड. Nawab Enterprises. Thank you so much, Nawab. Now and the social future and community driven events foster sense of the belong, ensure the overall gaming experience. Join us in the Nano Nico world where gaming and crypto rewards come together to create to vibrate and reward system. Thank you so much. This is my dear friend. Thank you for joining. Now once again I tell you the next one is dear friend. Thank you once again, Simulu, for joining while stream. Have a nice day, my dear friend. Thank you once again for joining and once again for the comments, my dear friend. Thank you once again. Now the cross platform interrogation, expanding accessibility and reach. Thank you so much, my dear friend, once again for joining. IMF 777. Thank you so much, IMF. Now the Nano Nico embraced the cross-platform integration to make the gaming experience accessible on any driven. The approach ensures the seamless and the understanding experience across the Virgin platform, removing access barrier and expanding to the community toward audience. Thank you so much, Crypto. I thank you, and once again, beautiful, my dear friend Simulu. Thank you so much. This is for you, my dear friend. Thank you so much, Kate, dear friend. Good to see you and welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much. Now the next one I tell you, my dear friend. Have a nice day, dear. Thank you so much. Now the number one multi-driven sport Nano Nico is the playable across to the range of the platform from the desktop computation and mobile device. Thank you so much, mobile device. Thank you so much for joining, my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. अभी हम आगे की तरफ चल रहे हैं. थैंक यू. Now this interrogation allows player to continue their gaming experience seamless on the preferred device. Thank you so much. Now number two, the cross-platform. The cross-platform communication player can interact with the other regulation of the platform they are using. Chat, team, formation, and social events work seamless across all platforms, keeping in the community connection and integration. Thank you so much. The next one, number three, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining. The number three, the centralization data management game and the data progress certification across platform player in the game progress and the achievement are passive no matter with the driver they long in from the ensuring. Thank you so much once again. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने का. हम नैनो निको के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं दोस्तों. थैंक यू. नाउ नंबर फोर, एडवांस सिक्योरिटी एंड प्राइवेसी. Nano Nico, the protection, security, and privacy while supporting cross-platform interrogation, data, perfect web encoding method, and player personal information security leverage. Thank you so much once again. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए, फॉलो करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए. Crypto, I can't claim the red pocket. Oh my dear friend. Sorry, better luck next time, my dear friend. Sorry, and thank you for joining, my dear friend. Thank you so much. I am sorry for that, my dear friend. The Dawn, thank you so much, the Dawn. Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं नामुमकिन है. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन once again for joining. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, उम्मीद है कि आप अपनी स्ट्रीम में मसरूफ़ होंगे. आपने स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट करनी होगी इंशाल्लाह. I will join you few minutes. Thank you for the joining, my dear friend. This is my last one. Thank you so much, my dear friend, crypto champion. Shumlo crypto, hi, bye bye. Thank you so much, my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए, कमेंट्स करने के. ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू क्रिप्टो चैंपियन. कमिंग, ओ टेक इट. Now with the Nano Nico, a cross platform interrogation player and access to the game world anytime, anywhere by part of the community and enjoy the seamless experience across the all device explorer Nano Nico on the ultimate game and adventure. तो चलते हैं दोस्तों फाइनल अपने पेज की जानिब और आपको अब फाइनल की तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. Now you see today my topic, my dear friend, once again the Gate Launch Pool Project 288 Nano Nico Stake GT Nico to earn airdrop. अभी हम आगे चलते हैं. The unlock rules 100% unlock. Thank you so much, my dear friend. I am good, my dear friend. And how about you, my dear friend Simulu? Thank you so much for joining. I am good, my dear friend. And how about you? Thank you for joining. Now unlock rule 100% unlock. The Gate Launch will support early staking everywhere you can stake your asset before the project officially launch to ensure that you start earning reward immediately as soon as mining being. Thank you. The reward distribution. Token reward will be distributed to user spot account every hour based on the proportion of their staking asset. Gate Launch Pool FAQ. How to participate? Log in your Gate account and complete identity verification. Native to the launch pool, hold at last 0.01 GT or 3 Nico click stake. Thank you so much, Muhammad bin Yasin, once again for joining. Muhammad bin Yasin, आपका शुक्रिया. And the next one, the project review overview. Thank you so much. The Nano Nico is the game-fed community-driven project built on the Solana blockchain by the building vibration attached with the investing gameplay. Nano Nico aims to the redefining Web3 gaming thought, the engage mechanism, NFT interrogation, and the social participation. At its core, the project empower player and the holder to show the ecosystem direction, making it more than just a game, but movement back by the passion team and the supported by the ever growing community. Nano Nico Post become to stand out brand of the Solana gaming and meme token space. Play, earn and part of the Nano Nico Universal website. तो आपको वेबसाइट दिखाई अभी मैंने आपको दोस्तों. Now Gate Life Investment Disclosure. Thank you so much once again, my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया. Gate Labs has not invested in the Nano Nico Neko. The note, the Gate Launch Pool is an initiative staking and airdrop platform. We are user can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT and the other token unholy airdrop of the trading and new queen while entry barriers and the high APR. It is the ultimate platform are capturing market opportunities effectively. Now number 2, the please complete identity verification before the participation in the launch pool. Ensure the security of your account and assets. Number 3, please adhere to the relevant rules of your event. When participation, any cheating behavior or perversion and the currency and disqualification will result in the disqualification of the reward. Number 4, in the case of discrepancy between the translate version, English version shall prevail. Number 5, the Gate reserve all right the final explanation. Number 6, this event is not affiliated with the Apple link. Number 7, the user in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access this service, including the participation in this event, game or competition. See the user agreement for the further detail to registration location. Thank you so much. Now there is risk warning. I tell you finally, risk warning, my dear friend. This project team does not guarantee that the token price will not low than its Intel sale price. Please invest with the caution and do not invest beyond your financial capacity. This crypto project is still it is the early stage and may involving the scientification operation, technology, regulatory risk. Advanced technical and the financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluation interest risk of the crypto assets investment. Now number 4, the market is the high wallet and the price of token might inflected discretion due to the technical, regulatory and marketing factor. This technical issue the project, thank you so much. The project for the platform may result in the delay or the section is the token withdraw. Now Gate team July 2025 gave way to crypto. The trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate. Take action, sign up and claim up 10,000 in welcome reward, invite friend and earn 40% commission. Stay content. Now visit Gate official website, download our Gate desktop, follow us on X Twitter to get more business, join our Telegram community to discuss trading topic, engage with our global community for the latest insight, transparency and security. Thank you so much. Check our 100% proof of result. Thank you so much for joining. तो दोस्तों ये था मेरा आज का टॉपिक, मेरा आज का प्रोजेक्ट जिसके ऊपर मैंने बात की. गेट लॉन्चफुल प्रोजेक्ट 288 नैनो निको स्टेक जीटी निको टू अर्न एयर ड्रॉप. और मैंने इससे रिलेटेड तमाम तर मालूमात आप दोस्तों के साथ शेयर की. जिन दोस्तों ने मुझे अभी ज्वाइन किया है वो मेरी स्ट्रीम ख़त्म होने के बाद मेरे चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हैं. तो दोस्तों मेरा आज का टॉपिक था गेट लाइव बोनस स्टॉक लॉन्च पूल ट्रेडिंग कंपटीशन निको प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू. और मैंने आपको इसके ऊपर रिव्यू दिया. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया, फॉलो किया, लाइक किया और कमेंट्स किया. ख़ास तौर पर क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन, शाइनिंग स्टार, क्रिप्टो डॉल, क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी एंड सीमलेस, इन तमाम ही दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया. तो दोस्तों मुझे दीजिएगा इजाज़त. कल तक इंशाल्लाह कल आपके साथ एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ हम बात करेंगे. तो दीजिएगा इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय. अपने दुआ में मुझे याद रखिएगा और अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़, गुड नाइट.